Rhea Singha, India's shining star at Miss Universe 2024, walked into Mexico's grand stage with high hope. From her viral swimsuit round to the dazzling Golden Bird national costume, her journey was nothing short of captivating. Yet, despite the fanfare and 6 straight years of India securing placements, Singha missed the top 12 cut. What went wrong? Was Rhea Singha the wrong choice, or were there bigger factors at play? Stay tuned as we delve into the highs and lows of her Miss Universe 2024 journey and uncover the critical missteps that cost India the crown. Before we dive in, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and tap the notification bell for more sizzling beauty pageant updates and deep dives. Rhea Singha's best moments at Miss Universe 2024. 1. The Golden Bird Stunner. Rhea Singha dazzled the audience in her Sone Ki Chidiya costume, a tribute to India's heritage as the Golden Bird. Designed by Vietnamese talent Nguyen Ngo Situ, the outfit was a visual spectacle, drawing applause for its intricate artistry. 2. Viral Swimsuit Round. In the swimsuit round, Singha's grace and confident walk went viral online, with fans praising her effortless use of the cape. It was a moment that cemented her as a crowd favorite. 3. A top 30 finish. Singha managed to place India in the top 30 semi-finals, continuing the country's streak of 6 consecutive placements at Miss Universe. However, her journey ended there, leaving fans disappointed as the top 12 advanced to the evening gown segment. Critical analysis: why Rhea Singha fell short. Rhea Singha's elimination has sparked debates. Let's critically analyze the factors behind her failure to advance beyond the semi-finals. 1. Inexperience on the global stage. While Rhea had an impressive track record as Miss Teen Earth 2023 and a top 6 finish at Miss Teen Universe 2023, the stakes and competition at Miss Universe were far higher. Her limited experience in global, high-pressure environments may have impacted her confidence during the decisive rounds. 2. Lack of charisma and presence. Critics noted that Rhea lacked the magnetic stage presence that's crucial to captivate both the judges and the global audience. Her performances, though technically sound, seemed to lack the emotional connection that resonates deeply. 3. Short height in a competitive field. At 5'5", Rhea was one of the shorter contestants, which may have been a disadvantage when competing alongside taller and more statuesque participants. While height isn't a disqualifier, it can impact runway dynamics and overall impressions. 4. Wrong national costume choice. Though beautifully designed, the Golden Bird costume didn't create the cultural impact expected from India's representation. Compared to more impactful costumes from nations like Mexico and Venezuela, it fell short of being memorable. 5. The question of candidate selection. Many pageant fans argue that Femina Miss India missed the mark in choosing Rhea. India has a pool of taller, more seasoned candidates with stronger portfolios and presence. A more experienced and charismatic contestant could have potentially advanced further. Electric light bulb: could India have chosen better? Some fans point to other standout moments from Femina Miss India 2024, suggesting that the organization overlooked stronger candidates. This misstep may have cost India the opportunity to shine brighter on the global stage. The bigger picture: Miss Universe 2024. The event crowned Denmark's Victoria Kjær Thielvig as the first ever Miss Universe winner from Denmark. Runners-up included Mexico's Maria Fernanda Beltran and Nigeria's Chidimma Adetshina. These contestants showcased a combination of beauty, charisma, and cultural representation, setting them apart from the competition. Rhea Singha's journey at Miss Universe 2024 had its shining moments but ultimately fell short of expectations. While her placement in the top 30 is commendable, the road to Miss Universe glory requires more than beauty and a strong resume. It demands a presence that can command the world's attention. What do you think? Did India make a mistake in choosing Rhea Singha, or was it just tough competition? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more thrilling updates on the beauty pageant world.